Hello. In this video we are going to check out best 5 airless paint sprayer review. We made this list based on our personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We've tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find the product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Best 5 airless paint sprayer review. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Graco Magnum 262,800. Another one from the same brand, Graco again. You will get almost the same feature as the previous two items. This paint sprayer can deliver 13% more performance than Project Painters Plus for heavier coatings. Allows spraying directly from paint bucket and thanks to the flexible suction tube. Up to 125 gallon per year is the annual use recommendation. So you can work for a lot of projects. The most important features include adjustable pressure, flexible suction tube, power flush, reverse a clean spray tip, etc. The item number 2 is Graco Magnum 257,025. Provides true ability to spray unthinned paint, true fast one-pass coverage, and truly superior quality finish. It offers the facility of spraying directly from 1 or 5 gallon container that ensures continuous spraying while handling big projects. Designed with an extra storage compartment that gives space to store some useful accessories like extra spray tips, spray gun, and power cord as well. You can connect to a garden hose in order to clean easily. As the item number 3 we've selected, Graco Magnum 262,805. Delivers 15% more performance than Magnum X5 and the larger spray tip support for heavier contact. This airless painting sprayer features easy control pant flow and reliable start every time. You can easily connect to a garden hose for fast and easy cleaning. The convenient cart design allows easy moving around your projects. True airless technology supports high pressure to atomize thick paints. It has a 5/8 of a horsepower universal high power motor and provides up to 3000 psi high pressure piston pump. The item number 4 is HomeRite Power Flo Pro 2800 C800879. A quality exterior paint and stain sprayer that features pressure control adjustment, easy maneuvering, easy cleaning, etc. This airless paint sprayer is ideal for painting the home exterior, sheds, fences, decks and such painting projects of home. You can use this sprayer for painting different types of materials. It has a 0.5 horsepower motor, is able to deliver 2800 psi for spraying unthinned paint. You can handle big projects within a short time and will get a professional result as well. And finally, the item number 5 in our list is Titan ControlMax 1700 Pro. When you need to work for thin paintings, this will be a very efficient tool. An excellent thing is that DIYers can paint like a pro even when they are beginners. Good choice for painting fences, home exterior, garages, decks and such big projects. Its HIA technology ensures a soft spray for consistent painting. The 0.60 horsepower pump with 0.33 GPM gives more productivity. Its portable craft design allows working and moving it conveniently.